It's been a while since I came on this outlet. Alright, so let's start here on grade school. If you can find something good. This one's not bad though. $24.97 for the carry fly trap. $19.97 on the downshifter. Another $24.97. Looking into the grade school. Let's see. There we go. We got Jordan Mars 270, 89. Jordan Loyal GS 59.97. How about this one? Jordan Max 200 grade school 44.97. Well, they got more on this one. Another Jordan Mars 270 89.99. We got some Kyrie 6 79.97. Nike Air Max Command Flex 44.97. We'll check out the women's section. So we got something really good. This one colorway is not bad for the summer. Women's Air Max Correlate 69.99. Air Max Verona 69.99. This one was selling like a couple months ago for $39. We got the Infinity React Run. We got a different colorway of the Infinity React Run, 99 as well. Alright, so that's it on the clearance wall. Not much going on. We got the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 36 $59.97. Not bad for the price. For a different colorway, it's much more expensive, $69. This hoodie also included in the 30% off. Not bad for the color. Price is retail is 60, selling for $19.97. With the additional 30% off, it should be around another $19.99. I always look into this clearance equipment because sometimes you could find something very cheap, like this socks, $4.97 for one pair. This one is not bad as well, $2.99. Then after that, looking into the bag section, also had a clearance. Look at that one, $9.99 on that one. I like this one. How much? 27. Alright, let's see what they have here in the men's section. We got the Nike Air Max 2090, that's $99. More React Vision 79. Air Max X 69.97. We got nothing here on the training. What? 109? Still high. Well, they got a bunch of this one, 69.97. Well, this one's all over the place. Well, I like this one for the summer though. Fly Trap 3, $49. Ooh, this one's not bad though. $39.97. Kyrie Fly Trap. Not bad. Kyrie Low 3, $89. So anyone still looking for a Mamba Focus is sitting here, $74.99. Alright, so after checking on the comps on the Mamba Focus, am I gonna pick up the size 12? I only have one size 12. Other size are not really profitable. Okay, checking out more on the basketball. We got the Lebrons down here, $64.97 on the Soldier, $139 on this Lebron. Lakers colorway. PG4, $59.97. KD13, $89.97. Alright, so what do we got here on the clearance wall? Hash wall. Let's see. How about this one? PG4, $59.97. Not bad for the personal though. Well, this Metcon is not bad as well, $49. This been sitting more than 2-3 months. Lebron J Icon, and their price still $109. No way. Okay, I did check on the comps. They are only selling for $40 or $29.97. $30 plus tax. Alright, that's it. We're done here. Not much going on the clearance wall. Alright, so Nike outlet is kinda dry. Not much hype or not much a discount on sneakers, but then we found a few stuff like the clothing, so that is what now is on fire. So let me share what I got on the Nike outlet store before the holiday. I have two bags down here, so I think this one is somewhat just the same what we pick up at the Nike factory store. More hoodies on this one, same price as well. They were $19.97, additional 30%, and then additional 15%. So it will came down to $11 on that particular ones. And then pick up a lot of this one. So 5 pair. Bad thing is, if I could get more, I would get more. Okay, so we got one of a kind vest down here. Is somewhat like a winter vest, something. But look at the retail price, 110 on the retail price. They were selling for $21.97, and then after the 30% off discount, and then after the 15% off discount, came down to $13.07. So $13.07. So as you can see right there, $13.07. There we go, $13.07 plus tax. So retail 110, you can get them for $13.07. Yeah, this one I'm gonna hold it a little bit while because it's already almost summer, and this is somewhat kind of fleece. So I think $13 is not bad for investment. If I could sell them for $60. So that's what the plan on that one. And then actually I got 5 pair of those anyway. And then I think I got 3 pairs of this one as well. It is somewhat kind of for running. Yeah, I think that's it right there, Nike running. It is by a kind of lightweight hoodie-ish thing. Look at the price. Retail is $120. Got them for $39.97. minus the 30% off, and then minus the 15% off, should be came down to $23.78. There you go, $23.78. There we go. So not bad, $23.78 for retail $120, and it is good for summer because it is a lightweight kind of wind shield or wind type of jacket, somewhat for running. So we have a lot of good deals on clothing. That's what's going on the Nike outlet store. And I pick up one shoe, and as you can see here, we got the Mamba Focus Black Anthracite, and the size is size 12. And mostly of the sizes in the Nike outlet was smaller sizes. And then the next one, biggest one, is 11. This is the only size 12 they had. So I check on the comps. Size 12 is much better reselling right now. Nike and Mamba or Kobe line is going to an end. So if you are looking for a Nike or Kobe, you better go on the Nike outlet right now if you still could find them. And I got lucky, I got $79.99 and then the additional 15%. So I'm not gonna check out next week if they had additional discount, if haven't sold out yet. But just to be safe, I said picking up size 12, and they still got a bunch more on the store. And that will be all for today's vlog on Nike factory store. And if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, peace.